Hello dear children, today we are going to begin a new lesson from 1001 word book. Alright, and the topic for today is birds. So now open your 1001 word book at page 42 and 43. There are two pages. Yes sir. First we are going to learn from page 42. So look at page 42 now. Let us begin. Number 1. Hoopoe. And the spelling of hoopoe is H-O-O-P-O-E. Hoopoe. Once again, H-O-O-P-O-E. Hoopoe. Number 2. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Once again, P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Number 3. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Once again, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Alright. Number 4. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Number 5. Dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Once again, D-O-V-E. Dove. Number 6. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Once again, C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Now let's see number 7. Ibis. I-B-I-S. Ibis. Once again, I-B-I-S. Ibis. Number 8. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Once again, S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Now let's see number 9. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Once again, O-W-L. Owl. Alright. Number 10. Hawk. H-A-W-K. Hawk. Once again, H-A-W-K. Hawk. Number 11. Emu. E-M-U. Emu. Once again, E-M-U. Emu. Alright. Now let's see number 12. Pelican. And the spelling of pelican is P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. Once again, P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. Alright. Now, number 13. Arctic term. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. T-E-R-M. Term. Arctic term. Once again, A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic. T-E-R-M. Term. Arctic term. Number 14. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Once again, S-W-A-N. and so on. Now we have finished learning from page 42. Let us look at page 43. Number 1. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Once again, P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Alright. Number 2. Hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G. Humming. B-I-R-D. Bird. Hummingbird. Once again, H-U-M-M-I-N-G. Humming. B-I-R-D. Bird. Hummingbird. Number 3. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Once again, E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Number 4. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. Once again, V-U-L-T-U-R-E. Vulture. Number 5. Nightingale. N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. Nightingale. Once again, N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E. Nightingale. Number 6. Toucan. T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. Once again, T-O-U-C-A-N. Toucan. Now number 7. Beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. Once again, B-E-A-K. Beak. Number 8. Peahen. P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. Once again, P-E-A-H-E-N. Peahen. Number 9. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Once again, T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Number 10. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Once again, R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Number 11. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Number 12. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Number 13. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Once again, C-R-O-W. Crow. Number 14. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Once again, O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Number 15. Woodpecker. H-O-O-D. Hood. P-E-C-K-E-R. Pecker. Woodpecker. Once again, H-O-O-D. Hood. P-E-C-K-E-R. Pecker. Woodpecker. Now number 16. Kingfisher. fisher. K-I-N-G, king. F-I-S-H-E-R, fisher. King fisher. Once again, K-I-N-G, king. F-I-S-H, fisher. King fisher. Now we have finished learning from page 43 also. Alright. Your duty is to revise this chapter and to learn all the spellings from both the pages. Okay.